Hey Treviso Bay fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property Group, and today we are previewing our newest listing on Casoria. It's unit 202-9465 Casoria. This is the former model home that Lanai offered here at Treviso Bay. It's the top floor coach home. It's going to have 2,100 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and a 3-car tandem garage. Let's walk inside this home and take a look. As you walk in, you've got the nice entry area here, staircase leading up to your unit. Down below, though, is the under stair storage, so you have some additional storage space here directly underneath the stairwell, and that kind of goes all the way back in there to lots of space. Directly across is the entry to the garage. And it's a 3-car tandem garage, so you can fit 2 vehicles, a golf cart, whatever the case may be, and lots of storage here. Now coming back up, the stairs are not overly steep, and there's this nice platform right in the middle to break things up, which is really nice. And then we get into the main part of the home. Keep in mind, again, this was the former model home. The furnishings are negotiable. Lots of detail and upgraded trim work in this unit. So this is the main area. We're going to start over to the right here, which is where the guest bedrooms are, the guest bath, and your laundry. Directly to the right here is the laundry with a full-size washer dryer. And right off the laundry are both guest rooms, which are really about the size of a true master. Really large rooms. You can fit 2 queen beds in a room like this, no worries. Walk-in style closet. Directly next to this is guest bedroom number 2. Again, about same size, huge room here. Plenty of room for a king-size suite. A couple queen beds, whatever the case may be. And also walk-in closet, which is really nice. And then you have the guest bath here, which has a combination tub and shower, the commode, and the single sink, and you also have a linen closet here. Nice part also is back here, there is a doorway, so you can close this area off for your guests to have privacy from the main areas. So here's your living space here. Beautiful TV wall there. You've got a dedicated dining space right here. Lots of windows for natural light in this unit. There's another little storage closet right here off the dining as well. And this takes you right into the kitchen here. Full stainless appliance package, granite countertops, tons of cabinets and storage. And this overlooks your eating kitchen area with windows overlooking your views. Now coming into the master, again, these rooms are huge. For 2,100 square foot, you have tons of personal space in the bedrooms. That's a king-size suite, just to give you an idea. You've got views overlooking the lake here from your master. And the master also has a sliding glass door, which goes out to the Lanai area. It's directly behind here. The owners have a piece of furniture directly in front of there. Many people will actually put that piece directly on this wall here to keep that access here. So you can definitely move that piece there and have your slider going out to the Lanai space. You've got his and hers closet in the master. Really large closet space on both ends. Tons of room here. Then you have your master bath here with the dual sinks. You've got the soaking tub, standalone shower, and your private commode room. And last but not least is the Lanai area here. So out on the Lanai, you've got these amazing views of the lake. nicely tiled in to match the rest of the flooring. And you can see how you can really enjoy the Florida lifestyle from a condo like this. Beautiful views of the lake here. This is definitely the premier unit in Casoria neighborhood of Treviso Bay. If you're interested in this unit, you can see all of our contact information below. Guys, this is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time.